Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you. My name is Nida Khan and you are watching New Gen Leaders Group. So today I have come with a very important topic, that is how we can build up a confidence. Okay, so I believe that for building up the confidence, there is one theory that I have applied, that is, for having the good confidence, it is very important to have the good inner strength. Because when you have the good confidence, now this will apply the positive energy to your inner strength, and by combining these two things, you can fight with any of the situation very easily. And I want to give one message to females especially. Carrying a good makeup is not important, but carrying the good confidence, a strong confidence, is very important, because it will help you out to conquer the world. Because trust me ladies, when you go out and when you explore this world, you will find n numbers of people who criticize you and who try to break your confidence. But if you have self confidence, you can fight with them very easily. The next thing that I want to discuss about confidence is, having a good confidence is good, but having the overconfidence is injurious to success. Yes, my dear friends, if I take example for this, I can say that I can do this is my confidence. But if I'm saying that I'm the only person who can do this is my overconfidence, and this is not good for your success. I believe that confidence start building up from a very early stage of our life, and in this the major role is played by our parents. Providing the right values to the children is very important, but in this I believe that should not be theoretical, that should be practical values. Okay, giving the practical values is very important, because your children will grab that practical values only. For example, if the parents are teaching to their children that telling a lie is not a good thing, it's not a right thing, but on the contrary, the parents are lying as per their convenience, so this same thing is watching by their children, and they will grab this same thing, and this will be applied in their lifetime. So giving the practical values to the children is very important. Most of the time we have seen, especially this thing is faced by the females majorly, that the elders, the parents become overprotective, over concerned, due to which they won't give the opportunity to their children to explore the world. Then after that, what happened, their children mindset will become like they won't be able to achieve anything in their life without the support of their parents or of their elders. So it is very important for building up the confidence. They should explore the world, they should understand the concept of this world, they should interact with the people. Okay, it is a pattern. When you are giving the right values to your child, then definitely he or she will follow the right path, so you can confidently give them the chance to explore this world. And the last thing which I feel that it is a very negative weapon in breaking down the confidence, it is the criticism. As a human and as an individual, I feel it is the responsibility of everyone that if you are doing the criticism, that should be in a very constructive way. Because if you are criticizing someone for their benefit, it is very important that you should tell about the 4 good qualities of that person and tell one bad quality in which you feel that he or she needs to be improved. Okay, so criticism should be in a very constructive way. And when you give the positivity, when you give the right things to other, that the same thing you get back, and this will also help you out in building up the confidence. So this is the topic, and I hope that you like the video. If you like the video, please like, share and comment on my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Link is already mentioned in the bio. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.